So I've bought a new PropFirm challenge account. Now, this is a PropFirm I've actually been researching about for the past 7 months. Yes, I literally sleep on their website almost every day and also check other reviews and stuff about them. Now, finally, I've been satisfied with their service so far. Yeah, coupled with other researches, I'm cool with them. So finally, I've been able to buy one step challenge account of 15K from them. And I'm going to start that challenge account. I'm going to document everything on this YouTube channel. Then I'll let you follow along, right? I'm not talking about any other prop firm than ForTraders. Yes, I know most of you have heard about it and some of you might have not heard about ForTraders before. That is a prop firm I'm using right now. That is a account I'm going to document on this channel on weekly basis for you to get to see the ups and the downs that I'm kind of going to go through, in regards to passing the challenge and getting to the, the master trade parts and see if payout will come or payout won't come at the end of the day. Yeah, so one thing is they are also offering some discounts right now. It's a time limited actually. So if you want to actually hop on this challenge with me, you can check the video description right now. You're going to find a link and a coupon code. Use that coupon code, all right? Click on that link, all right? Click on the link and use the coupon code and get 10% discount off right now before that offer expires. Any account at all you want to purchase on the platform, just use the code over there. You are going to get, 10% discount off. Don't miss it out, all right? Couple with other discounts on the platform. When you use that one, it's going to give you extra 10% discounts off. So yeah, make good use of that right now before it expires, right? So yeah, that is going to be it. I'm going to document everything right here on this YouTube channel. Yes, I want to keep the community active to know how this is going to go, right? Like I said, I'm documenting my journey right here, and I'm also sharing educative contents alongside to help generally the entire Forex community. Whoever comes across any video of mine, the person has to gain value from it, and that is exactly what I am doing right here. Yeah, so I'll see you